Hey guys, Matt from Makita. Today I'm going to run you through 12V max stick vac CL108FDW. The CL108FDW has an easy to operate push button on and off switch, allowing for the tool to run continuously without constantly needing to engage a trigger. The on button also allows the ability to quickly switch between the 3 speed modes, these being normal, high and max. The 600ml capsule type dust container allows dust to be removed easily by separating the capsule from the body. This allows for easy repeat use and removes the need for paper or cloth vacuum bags. It also comes with an LED job light, which will light up when the tool is in use to provide a greater view of the work area. It also acts as a battery indicator and will start to blink when the battery level is on low. The CL108FDW comes standard with a T-shaped nozzle, which provides enhanced manoeuvrability as the vacuum head is kept as close to the surface as possible. It also comes with a sash nozzle for reaching narrow areas, an extension pipe and a convenient sash nozzle holder. The angled attachment port provides an easy alternative to floor cleaning without the T-shaped nozzle, as it can reach into corners and tight spaces. It also prevents the extension pipe and other attachments moving or detaching when the vacuum is in use. Weighing only 1.2 kilograms on a 4Ah battery and having up to 65 minutes runtime, the CL108FDW is perfect for anyone needing a compact and powerful stick vacuum around the job site or office. So this is the 12V max stick vacuum CL108FDW. For more information, head to our website.